Hi guys, it's Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. Today I'm coming on with a short video to show you how to sublimate on these wooden blanks or any wooden blanks using your mini press. And you can use polycrylic spray or you don't have to. And I use a marker for the back if I don't want to use sublimation on both sides. So let's get started. First, you will need a picture of your choice, and I'm going to use just this little paisley print that I have, and I'm going to cut it out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one earring without polycrylic and the other one with. So let's spray the other one first so that by the time I finish this one, it'll be dry. And you just need a little bit. You don't need much. That's more than enough. All right, so while that's drying, let's do this one. I'm gonna make sure I have it the direction I want. Then I'm gonna put it over there like that. I'm gonna move this stuff out the way. And then I'm gonna get my mini press, and I'm gonna try to keep my hand out the way. But I'm gonna hold that, and I'm just gonna hold it on there for 30 seconds, moving it around without moving the paper. If I had tape in here, I would have taping it down, but or taped it down, but I didn't bring any tape in this room, so I will just hold it so it does not move, because otherwise you'll get ghosting, which is a double print, and so I don't want that. So I'm gonna guesstimate what 30 seconds looks like. So sometimes after you get it just right, the pattern will start coming through the paper, and I can almost see it now. So it's probably been about 30 seconds. Okay. Now remember, this was the one without polycrylic, and that came out pretty. Look at that. All right. So that's no coating, nothing, just regular wood. Now this one, we put the spray on there and it's dry already. So I'll find another spot that's with nothing on it, and then I'll cut another little part. Move that out the way. And then we'll do this one. And again, make sure everything's covered. And we'll just go around that one too. Again, I buy these blanks off Amazon. I'll leave a link below. But if you have a laser, it's very easy to cut these out yourself, which I do. I just have so many of these I bought before I had my laser, so I'm trying to use them up. And they have all kind of shapes of wooden earrings that you can buy or make. I just like these for some reason. They're kind of retro, but I like them. So I'm just going to do this for like 30 seconds, and we'll see what the difference is between the two. I like both, so just depends on what you like. And then I'll finish the backs with a marker, because I'm not going to do both sides on this video, but I'll show you an easy way to finish them. All right, that's about 30 seconds or more. So remember, this is what the ones without the polycrylic look like, and this is the one with polycrylic. It's much darker, but I like both of them. This one's just a little lighter, but I like both. So then I will just find a color within there to do the back with. I used this earlier, but I think I want to do like let's see, yellow. No, I think I want to do a purple. So let's do the purple on the back, and I'm gonna use a permanent marker, and I'm just gonna go on the back and do a purple. Make sure my hand is not in the way. And then after I get this all done, I will go over it with spray. The sublimation part really doesn't need anything else, but I will put gloss spray on that so that it will shine. Although it's okay just the way it is. But I'll just take my permanent marker and go over it real good. And I'm doing it a little faster than I would be doing normally because I don't want this video to be 2 years long. So I'm just going to show you how I would color it real good. Make sure all the wood is covered. My fingers out the way. And then I'll go back through it, make sure I got everything. So then we have that on that side and that on that side. And I do have some Krylon gloss spray, but it's not in this room right now. So we're just gonna use this regular polycrylic for our seal. And so I probably could get this a little better, but I'm good with that. I say that and I keep doing more, but it's good. And then I'll just do a 1, 2 on that. And then we'll do this one. And you'll have a nice pair of earrings, and all you have to do is add a jump ring or a bell. I like doing a bell. If the earrings aren't too long, then I'll do a bell. If they're already long, then I'll just do a jump ring, a small one. And I like to use fancy hooks. I don't like using just the regular fish hooks because I think it just elevates it, especially when you have a wooden earring. I just feel like you need fancier hoops for that, or hooks for that. So I will finish this up. And this one seemed like it came a little darker, but it's okay. I hope you can see what I'm doing. All right, and then let's get this right in here. Go back through so we don't have any wood showing. And there we have it. Oops, I see a one little spot. All right, so now we have that side and that side. And I could have picked any color, but I like spraying it. You want to seal them because you don't want somebody wearing it and the marker come off. One day I was wearing a pair of earrings at work and somebody said, you know, you got red all up the side, both sides of your face. And so from that day on, I started sealing them because I didn't realize the marker would come off. But anyway, oops, I shouldn't have turned that over. It's not dry. Anyway, in the thumbnail of this video, I will have the finished earrings with the hooks on them. But for now, this has been Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. And watch the videos all the way to the end. That really helps my channel. So until next time, see you. Bye.